In Python, every single value has a hidden truth setting. Understanding truthiness lets you write cleaner, simpler conditions without extra comparisons. Python treats certain values as false, 0, empty text, empty collections, none, and the Boolean false itself. Everything else counts as true. You never have to spell out the comparison. Here is our program. We create a list, check it with an if statement, then add items, and check again. Let us trace through it step by step. Items is bound to an empty list. When Python hits the if, it asks, is this list truthy? An empty list is falsy, so the condition fails and the else branch runs, printing list is empty. Now items is rebound to a list containing apple and banana. That list is not empty, so Python treats it as truthy. The if branch runs this time, printing list has items. Running the program confirms exactly what our trace predicted. The empty list triggers the else, and the fill list triggers the if. 2 lines of output, matching our trace perfectly. The big idea. You never need to write a comparison just to check if something exists or has content. Let Python's truthiness rules do that work, and your code stays clean and easy to read.